Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the system and launching an elevated shell. You must save any open work and close apps because reinstall changes may restart Explorer. Once done, open Windows Terminal or PowerShell as administrator. Accept the UAC prompt. This ensures commands run with full privileges so file and package registrations succeed. You will see command output and potential errors. Note them. Make sure to keep that window open. This is where you'll run the reinstall and repair commands immediately after. You'll repair core files first, then re-register the shell packages. Start with sfc/scano. This fixes corrupted system files. Once that completes, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows image if sfc can't. After those finish, run the AppX re-register loop to reinstall File Explorer components and related shell apps. This sequence repairs dependencies, then reinstalls the UI packages. It's more reliable than replacing single DLLs. Make sure each command finishes before. Once commands complete, restart the shell to load the new components. You can kill and restart Explorer. EXE from the admin window or perform a full reboot. Reboot is safer. After restarting, verify File Explorer opens, thumbnails load, and context menus behave correctly. If problems persist, check Event Viewer for related errors and rerun the repair commands. Make sure Windows updates are installed. As a last resort, restore to a system restore point or perform a repair install to avoid data loss and fully restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.